This brand is a part of the Paloma Group and the water heaters are made in the USA. The brand features units with electronic gas controls and silicon nitride hot surface ignition systems which are more reliable and require less maintenance than spark ignition systems. The Performance Series power vent models are available in 40, 50, or 75-gallon sizes with a 0.65 efficiency rating, and they can be purchased through the Home Depot. The Professional Classic Plus Power Direct Vent models have a sealed combustion system which makes the home more energy efficient, and they are backed by a better guarantee than the Performance Series models, but they require professional installation. The Professional Prestige Maximus models are their most efficient water heaters with a 0.88 efficiency rating, and they have built-in leak detection with an LCD control panel and an audible leak alarm. They offer an optional automatic water shutoff valve and are backed by a very good warranty, but they also require professional installation.